Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best soccer mom chair that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best soccer mom chair. Watching your kids play their soccer games each week or multiple times a week is a great way to get out and cheer them on. But it can be difficult to find seating if there's a large crowd, and bringing your own soccer mom chair with you is a great idea. The thought of these chairs may bring forth ideas of cheap setups that don't last long, but this doesn't have to be the case. Number 5. Swimways Kelsey's Original Canopy Chair. This portable folding chair converts from a familiar quad-style camp chair into your own personal oasis. The patented extended sun canopy protects you from the elements and locks up for shade or sun. Main features: ultimate comfort, sun protection, multi-use. Number 4. Quick Chair Heavy-Duty Folding Camp Chair. This oversized chair measures 35 inches wide, making it perfect for medium to large frames. 600 denier reinforced polyester fabric is durable and stain resistant, so your chair. Main features: durable steel frame, quality fabric, extra design. Number 3. Coleman Camping Chair with built-in fork and cooler. The cooler built into the armrest holds up to 4 cans and provides easy access to a cold drink once the one in your mesh cup holder is empty, while you sip on your favorite beverage. Main features: strong steel frame, wide 18.1 inches high, imported. Number 2. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Chair. Extra wide 24 inches seat high backrest side pocket cooler powder coated steel frame and cushioned polyester khaki canvas compact design folds quickly. At such a great value. Main features: 600D polyester fabric, maximum storage, capacity 800 pounds. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Portable Folding Rocking Chair. Chair is ideal for any outdoor activity such as camping, fishing and watching sports. Limited lifetime warranty. Main features: sturdy powder-coated steel frame. 250 pounds includes padded arm. Weight 12.1 pounds. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.